If you're among those that are still finding it difficult to verify the Amazon KDP, maybe you've tried so many times and Amazon keeps telling you that they can't verify your account or that the country you chose is different from the country that issued your ID, then you don't need to skip any part of this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you step by step on how you can verify your Amazon KDP at ease without stress. And this method works 100%. I assure you that. If you follow the step in my direction, you will be able to verify your account successfully. By the end of this video, I'm going to share with you some common mistakes that might even make Amazon not to verify your account, and also the reason why they are still not verifying your account despite so many attempts. With that being said, let's get into it. So the first thing is to log into your Amazon account. So this is my Amazon account. As you can see, I'm done filling in my name. I'm done linking my account. I'm done removing the 30% task. And the next thing that I'm going to do now is to do my identity verification. You can see identity verification required. I'll click on fix it now, okay? I'll click on it, and at this point, I will scroll down. You will now read what is said here. How does identity verification works? Enter your account details. The name in your account should match your government issued ID, which means the name you're going to input here must match with the ID you want to use for the verification. If your name is Victory Samuel, write it exactly that way, Victory Samuel. So when you read all the instructions that they have written here and check your name, at this point now, what I normally do is if I want to help you to do identity verification, at this point, I will edit your name, okay? I will do as if I'm editing some things here. I will just maybe clean up 1 or 3 letters and then write it back. I mean your name. After editing your name, you edit your city, edit your street, and all that, even your phone number. Once you're done, you click on save and continue. Then go ahead and click on fix it now again, okay? So when you scroll down, you are going to see verify identity. Go ahead and click on it. If you want to read all the instruction, you can go ahead and read that, okay? But I'll go ahead and click on verify identity because of time. Over here, I will click on the small icon that I'm saying and choose the country that issued the ID, which is Ghana. And I'll also choose the ID type that I want to use, either my passport, driver's license, national identification card. I will choose the national identification card because that is the one that I have. You can choose any other one that you have. And once I'm done, I click on continue. Over here, I can either have Amazon take the passport themselves, or I will take the passport using my phone camera, which I will upload once I'm done. So over here now, I can either choose take photo yourself, which is the site taking the photo themselves, or you can click on upload an image of your ID. So I'll click on upload an image of my ID because I've already taken the ID. I've already snapped it using my camera. So I'll go ahead and click on upload my ID instead. I will locate my media picker. I'll locate the place that the ID is. I'll click on the front that I just snapped. This is the front of my ID. I will click on continue. You can see that they said you should take the back of your ID. I'll scroll down and click on upload an image of your ID again. Click on media picker. I will look at the back of my ID and click on it. This is the back of my ID. I'll click on continue as well. Give it some time for them to go through it and verify my ID. You can see we are verifying your ID. This may take a few seconds, which means you need to wait for some time, few seconds, for them to go through it and verify your ID. I'm actually leaving this so that you will see how many seconds it will take Amazon to verify the ID. And this is what we have here. You can see identity successfully verified. Any update to your identity in your KDP account will require re-verification, which means if there is any updates in your account, you need to come back and verify it once again. What I'm going to do now is to go to my mail. You can see the mail that is sent to me. Your identity was successfully verified. I will click on it and open it. So this is the mail that they just sent to me. Thank you for verifying your identity and so on. This is how you can easily verify your identity without any issues, delay, or Amazon telling you that the country you chose is quite different from the country in your ID. So this is how you can easily verify your Amazon KDP account without Amazon rejecting your ID or even telling you that the country you chose is quite different from the country in your ID. Can you see how easy and simple it is? Now, let me tell you one of the reasons why Amazon can reject your ID. The first mistake is you snapping your ID in a place that is not clear. When you snap your ID in an environment or with a lighting that is not clear, Amazon will reject that ID. So if you want them to accept the ID, make sure that you take the ID in a daytime with daylight. Make sure that the lighting is good. Make sure that everything is quite clear for them to see. And again, the surface that you lay your ID or your passport before snapping also matters a lot. You can see the surface that I laid mine, which is the red rock. If you don't have a rock, you can as well use the sprayed cloth, maybe black. I prefer two colors. You can use black or red color. Make sure that nothing is distracting in that particular background that you are keeping your ID to snap. Make sure the focus is only on the ID and make sure that the right top is clear for them to say that this is the actual person that have this account. This is the way you can easily verify your identity in Amazon KDP site. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also consider to subscribe if what you are putting in here is what you actually need. And don't forget to ask your question in the comment section. I love hearing from you. And also, the last but not the least, make sure you turn on that notification bell so that whenever I post another awesome video like this, you'll be the first to get notified. I'll see you in the next video.